I think your team has done a really nice job of, reassuring people like we're not here to process the payroll. We just want to help you get the data into our system so the client can action it, and obviously serve as a mechanic for running payroll. And I think one of the reasons we were able to scale as rapidly as we did is, we kind of took what worked really well in Europe and iterated on what did not work well in Europe and made that our playbook for rolling out into new markets. And so once we identified this provider, it was very quick to say like, okay, here's our pre-payroll steps, here's our payroll processing steps, here's our post-payroll steps, here are the action owners. We have, early on, we went through standardizing our GL and earning class categories. And so I think a lot of those things just helped us rapidly expand, I think across like 8 new markets within the course of 6 months. Like felt like